Do you know what is this? This is a cricket bat. And do you know what is this? This is a rubber band, or we can call it bat grip. So how we can install it? Its installing is very hard and very difficult to install, but for that we required this type of gripper, that is called installer or grip installer, and add it over here, and after that we can install it. How we can install it? In today's video I'm gonna let you know. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now let's watch the video and learn how to install this grip. Let's begin the video. You have to insert it like this. Now you have to start making a rolling band of this grip. It's ready to install. That's it. Hope you understood that how we can install a grip. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.